Hey guys, a lot of you people have been commenting like what I'm gonna do for my account giveaway. Well, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go on this website. The URL will be in the description. I choose the name, so my two channel right here, okay, right here, and then let's just say terminate or whatever. Tutorial, and then this is what it is. There.